I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to delivery day. And this has been exciting. We have been talking about getting this for about 2 months now. We actually purchased this a month ago and it just showed up today. And well, we already had the V2 freshly back from a photo shoot. If you guys aren't following So Tiny But Fierce, check her Instagram out. She is just blowing up right now on Instagram. She started doing reels and she is doing quite well. But let's see, we've got the BMW S1000 single R, or double R. We are missing, we're missing nakeds.
What did you do with your nakeds, babe?
So both the nakeds are at the dealership, unfortunately right now. So let's see, we've got the race bikes, S1000 XR, the dirt bikes. You guys know about all this stuff. Well, this new toy we can't fit in the garage, and the reason is because it is 42 feet long. That's right, you guys. We have taken delivery of our brand new 2022 Voltage 3951, and today we're gonna give you guys a full tour of the new RV. We're super excited. So we're getting back into the track day seasons, and Bogna is wanting to race this year. Hopefully we've got some big news coming on the channel.
Oh, don't jinx it.
I know, we don't want to jinx it. But anyways, we might be needing a toy hauler. So what's cool about this is a Voltage toy hauler. We've got the big back patio back here, which we won't show you obviously the patio, but the patio, and it's got the screen doors and everything. So super cool. But let's go ahead, babe. Do you want to guide us into our new home on the road? So this is the garage. And what's really cool about this garage, not right now because we've got a broken screen doors, is this garage is 15 feet long.
Should I count them?
Let's count it out.
1, 2, 4. I have tiny feet.
She's so tiny but fierce feet. So
It's gonna take a while.
it's gonna take a while.
Wait, were you counting?
15, let's say that's 13, 14, 15, perfect. 15-foot garage. So what's nice about this is we can actually go bike. And we've got pit bull restraints coming in here. So very nice. So into door number 1 right here, this is our little half bath. Nothing major. Let's see if I can find a light switch. No, I can't find a light switch yet. So a little half bath. Probably won't use it much, but it's nice to have a little extra bath just in case.
Especially if someone stays back there.
Yeah, so looks like Sarah with her track days will be breaking in the back bunk bed. So very nice. And then into the main cabin, our living area, we've got a 4-seat couch along with the kitchen area. So we've got microwave stove, residential refrigerator. Babe, open this thing out. Let's see how much food we can pack on this huge refrigerator. And this is a big thing that we had on our old RV. As you guys may know, if you guys are old to the channel, you guys may, the Big Beast. It was a big toy hauler, and we got rid of that last year because we weren't really doing track days. But got a nice recliner, get it pulled out so we can recline and have a nice comfy seat, watch a little TV. Also, we've got a little extra bunk up there, so if you guys stop by and need a place to crash, we've got another bunk up there. But very cool little island we've got here, so we can kind of entertain a little bit. So super excited to have the
no
new
dancing on the bar.
No bar dancing, no bar dancing. And then obviously there's our front door, and up the stairs into the bedroom. Again, another nice thing about this one is we've got a full king-size bed in here. Under storage there, nice 2 big closets here, so we can kind of each have a closet. Not that we really travel with much, but if we do travel with some a couple days,
bunch of undergarments.
Yeah, so undergarments by what, 151 151 right there. And then the full bath here, so we've got a nice little let's see, turn this on. Full residential shower. And let's see, babe. Let's see. Here,
You fit?
Grab that. Let's see.
Are you taking a
So
shower?
I can
This is
grab
getting
these.
R-rated right now.
Wait, it's so 6'2". If you were 6'4", you would need the sunroof. But it's nice. I got a little
You can
light.
peek out, see what's going on.
What's going on out there? But very nice big bathroom. So all in all, you know, I'm digging it. I really like it. Like I said, we've had this in the mix for about 2 months. We've been talking about it. We looked at
Way too many.
way too many RVs. And one of the issues with the RVs is the garage is 13 feet. So if we wanted to bring 4 bikes to the track, we'd have to stagger them. And we came across this one. And although the living quarters is a little bit smaller, remember it's just me and Bogna.
And Leo will be coming on the trips now.
Leo, we'll find some place to stash him. But yeah, we put him up in the top bunk. You can just stay up there. But yeah, I mean, it's perfect for us, but it's enough room that if we do have some company over, we can, you know, really just entertain a little bit. But back out the front door, and we've got nice awning here. And so power awning with some lights, and then we've got a new generator up in front. It's actually a Yamaha generator, which is actually pretty cool. And over to the other side, you can see the pop outs here. So it's a biggie. It's biggie. Yeah, yeah. There's. Why don't you measure it, babe? Measure. Come on, feet. So 42 feet. She's big, and well, the Super Beast is ready to take care of her and get her towing. So all hydraulic leveling, everything. Like, I'm stoked. So we get to spend all weekend. This is actually yesterday. We just got it. So you guys are seeing this yesterday. It literally just came, and we're excited. We're gonna start this week, this weekend. It's New Year's, so happy New Year's, you guys. I think we'll probably do a little live video and say hello to everybody on New Year's. We usually do that. We're gonna be getting this thing packed up because not this weekend, but next weekend, the maiden voyage. We're heading down to Chuckwalla for SoCal Track Days for 2 days. I told Bogna we're not heading down to Chuckwalla for one-day events anymore. We're looking at a 10 to 12 hour drive with this thing. So we'll get down there on Friday and we'll camp out Saturday, Sunday, and then head home on Monday. So if you guys are going to be at SoCal Track Days at Chuckwalla, make sure you come by and see us.
Can't miss us.
Yeah, you can't miss us. You can't miss us. But I'm super excited. So thank you guys for sticking around. I've got updates. Give you guys a little bit of updates. I was at the dealership today. We've sorted out the Street Fighter. So a Street Fighter video is coming. The S1000R is back in the shop again. Nothing major. Kind of stupid. It's silly, but hopefully BMW will warranty that. And Bogna's V2 is getting ready to get ripped apart. I said we were doing delivery day today, and someone commented, and I said it's already arrived. So go look around. Look around.
Well, there's a whole bunch of stuff that.
Branch and but thank you guys for sticking around. Just a quick little video. Wanted to share you guys our new little home on wheels, but do the normal. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notification of future content when we're out on the voltage, doing our little track days. We're getting ready for this year, so we can't wait. And then stay tuned because hopefully big news.
Don't jinx it, you're jinxing it.
Kind of big news, kind of big news.
And
tons of parts coming in, so I just have to find some time in January to get you guys some how-to videos. But thank you guys again, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.